they're bringing me to the women's correctional, and they're serving it in the middle of the night, and all 9 people. I'm just a small person. And they just, I mean, alam mo, I am a person. I went to the hearing in good faith. I came back from LA. I sat there, answered their questions for 9 hours. And I know they did not do anything that was contemptuous or contempt. But I did. I sat there and I listened to their order of contempt. I requested, I did an apology. And then, ang sabi po nila, I just have to do an MR. Ngayon, I did an MR, but they did not rule on it. And then suddenly, they have an order transferring me. When ang nauna naman na order ng final ng lawyers namin was an MR to lift that order of contempt, because they said that was the procedure. If they were not able to rule on that, how were they able to come up with an order, you know, to transfer me to the women's correctional in the dead of the night? I mean, bakit ganun? Wala na bang rights yung mga tao? They just go to your room and then just get... Wala, bakit I don't understand. I don't
Ma'am, okay lang
understand.
po kayo ng questions from media?
Can I have tissue? Sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry.